A man is facing drug and animal cruelty charges after using marijuana to try and calm down his cat. The 20-year-old Nebraska man stuffed his kitten's shadow into this homemade bong. According to sheriff's deputies, they spotted the man smoking marijuana from the contraption with the cat inside. He said the 6-month-old kitten was hyper and was trying to calm it down. Investigators described the cat as dazed after she was rescued, but is now doing well at a local humane society. The man was cited for misdemeanor animal cruelty and paid a $400 fine. He will also face drug charges.